So I had a fun kind of thinking about how to present lucid dreaming to you all as involved in the analog astronaut community, science-based community, experimental community. This is an aspect of lucid dreaming that uh, tailors pretty well to my past in archaeological studies. Because before I was a dream researcher, I was an archaeologist for 10 years out of college. And I was even then interested in dreams and also interested in intuitive ways of knowing. And how do we essentially integrate intuitive ways of knowing into the sciences and allow them to affect, transform, and and incite, give us insight into our protocols, into our hypotheses, all this kind of stuff is I've tried to do some integration work with the anthropological community and lucid dreaming. It's not paying the bills, but it's sort of like I would call it a love language, right? And so I would say that dream work and especially lucid dreaming in particular really can support the kind of work that y'all are training for, that y'all are doing, replicating, right, aspects of space travel. I think about just the things about like living in confined habitat, how coming comfortable with how to ground yourself, how to work with fear, how to do shadow work. All this stuff comes out of lucidity, can inform, those moments in time, as well as, of course, like performing scientific experiments, or dealing with simulations, dealing with challenges. Because a lot of lucid dreaming is taking the best of the dream world, which is intuition and emotional based intelligence, and integrating it with cognitive focus, right? And so, what I would do is to say to define lucid dreaming, the minimal definition is that it is a dream that I know I am dreaming. That's it.